Hi, my name is Ben. We're at Foreign Auto Salvage. I'm going to show you this car that we have for sale. This car is a 2007 Nissan Sentra. It's got 156,000 miles on it. It does have a salvage title. It has been in an accident and needs some repairs before it can be put back on the road. The price is $1,900. We're going to walk around this car and show you a little bit about it. The car's got a dark blue paint color on it. The right front hubcap is missing. The right front door mirror has got some damage under there, I'm assuming. We can look in the interior. The interior of the car is gray. The inside of the car could use some cleaning. I don't really see any significant rips or anything like that, but it could use a little scrubbing. This car was damaged in the rear. This car was rear-ended. As you can see, the bumper reinforcement has been pushed down a bit. The bumper reinforcement has been pushed into the rear of the body of the car. This quarter panel also has a buckle in it. The taillight lens on the right rear is missing. It broke off during the accident. The trunk lid appears to be okay. I've already popped that trunk. It's not just always open. We're going to take a look on the inside of the car. We're going to start it up. It's about 15 degrees out here, so it's pretty cold. This car started right up the last time I did it. This is the car running. You can see the mileage there. There's not a check engine light on or anything. There is a tire pressure light on. Not sure if that's a sensor or if the tires are actually low. Here's a little better view of the radio and the heater controls. We're going to pop the hood and give you a good look at the engine. Here's the engine. As you can see, the front of the car is not crashed or anything like that. The front of the car appears to be in good shape. As I was saying before, we're at Foreign Auto Salvage. If you would like to contact us, you can stop by. Our address is 1980 HIghland, Pike, Fort Wright, Kentucky 41017. Our phone number is 859-341-1920. Thank you. Have a good day.